Thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV and for the opportunity to unveil for you the latest in Winnebago enhancements on the fuel-efficient and now safety-enhanced Winnebago Touring Coach Travato 59G, available here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and recently named by the manufacturer Winnebago Industries as the North American top dealer for sales volume for a single point dealership across all of the motorized coach divisions of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, but reaching out across all of North America now for the past 6 consecutive years. However, most importantly, be the first to break in and protect your new fuel-efficient Ram ProMaster powertrain in accordance with the way Ram ProMaster outlines inside their owner's manual on page 139, in which they recommend, if possible, during the first 300 miles to avoid any towing. After the first 60 miles, then driving up to 50 or 55 miles per hour, no full throttle starts from an initial start, and while cruising, brief full throttle acceleration within the limits of local traffic laws to contribute to a good break-in. Be the first to break in and protect that new powertrain. Sleep that first night in your all-new expanded rear full bed and eat that first meal in your factory fresh Ram ProMaster Travato, available here at Lichtsinn RV. Now, with the latest in Winnebago enhancements and based on the powerful, fuel-efficient, and now safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster chassis, the Winnebago Touring Coach Travato has been at the forefront of van life revolution since its launch. Estimated to achieve 18 to 22 miles per gallon highway, and at only 21 feet long, the Travato offers a fully functional, comfortable home in a nimble, fuel-efficient van. The Winnebago Touring Coach Travato provides the following new enhancements in the redesign and restyle of the 2022 debut of the Winnebago Touring Coach Travato. The safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster chassis, maintaining the same fuel efficiency of prior years in the proven 3.6-liter Ram ProMaster engine, boasting 280 horses and 260 pounds-feet of torque and maintaining 18 to 22 miles per gallon highway. The safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster chassis now includes blind spot monitoring, crosswind assist, and the digital rearview mirror. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross path detection helps to avoid accidents and enhance safety and security by warning drivers when vehicles enter the van's blind spot zone. Crosswind assist in the new ProMaster chassis detects strong gusts of wind, helping you to stay in control and on course. Enhance your safety and security with sight into the road behind you with the exclusive available digital rearview mirror, now standard on the Ram ProMaster chassis for the Winnebago Travato. Features an LCD monitor that can be turned off to revert to a reflective mirror, but when switched on, offers a real-time video stream. Inside the safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster chassis, an all-new digital multimedia receiver includes a 7-inch touchscreen for a refined, user-friendly interface and easy access to your media. It also includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Apple CarPlay is a smarter and safer way to use your iPhone in the van, allowing you to stay focused on the road. Access Apple Maps, Google Maps, listen to music, make calls, send and receive text messages, and more with just a word or a touch, integrated in with Hey Siri. Google Android Auto automatically provides useful information and organizes it into simple cards that appear just when they're needed, designed to minimize distractions so you can stay focused on the road. It includes the Google Assistant through Hey Google, which will allow you to send a text, map your route, check the weather, and much, much more. Integrated into Google Maps with navigation, you can find routes, receive real-time traffic alerts, and places along the way. You can also provide complete communication with phone calls, text messaging, and chat apps, all using Hey Google. It also allows for complete access to your entertainment package for music, news, and audiobooks right at your fingertips or through Hey Google or Hey Siri technology. Of course, built in is Bluetooth integration to easily pair a Bluetooth-enabled phone without complicated settings. It also includes the iDataLink Maestro, which allows for integration into certain RAM ProMaster components that we'll touch on here in a moment. It includes WebLink to enjoy personalized infotainment, to play music or video from your smartphone, and useful apps to sort out your favorites. It also then includes upgraded JBL speakers for premium sound, and Sirius XM satellite radio providing commercial-free music, live events, sports, and a variety of other programming, which does include the actual tuner and the cup antenna up on the roof of the van. It also includes a free trial. Within this digital multimedia receiver with 7-inch touchscreen, it also provides for the rear view camera monitoring system that allows a continuous rear view, which is helpful when towing or carrying bicycles so that you can keep an eye on your gear. This integrated rear view camera monitoring system also provides a much wider and clearer view than the original radio being provided by RAM ProMaster. It includes integrated tire pressure monitoring to show actual tire pressure versus a simple indicator light on the original RAM ProMaster radio. The selectable display shows additional engine data such as coolant temperature, which is not available on the original radio, and an OBD2 diagnostics provides the ability to review and reset engine codes, eliminating the need for a second OBD2 device. Finally, a secondary microphone improves voice control with additional functionality so that it will actually hone in specific to your device so you can actually make phone calls that don't appear that you're in a conference call. Within the interior of the new restyled and re-engineered Winnebago Touring Coach Travato, the flooring includes honeycomb composite insulated flooring, which is durable and easy to maintain, which is an industrial strength material, but also serves as an additional thermal break. In all floor plans for the Travato, a new lagoon table provides dual mounting options. A lagoon table provides heavy anodized aluminum construction with a space-saving 360-degree swivel to create much more floor space. It allows you to adapt and adjust to your needs, such as using as an additional meal prep space, a workspace, or a gaming station, and also then provides an easy lock system which is secure for travel. The lagoon table provides dual locations in the 59G and GL just forward of the dinette and on the new pedestal near the front entry door, and on the 59K and the 59KL on the forward end of the passenger side bed, and then also on the new ABS pedestal near the door. Within the sleep system, this includes the all-new Winnebago Win Sleep system, which includes Deep Freeze Plus technology with serene foam that draws excess heat from your body to create a cool, comfortable sleeping environment. Plush Superior Foam provides exceptional pressure relief and support through supportive air technology. It is CertiPure US tested with certified foam made from non-toxic materials without ozone depleters, and also includes microbe shield technology specifically designed to deactivate microorganisms and deliver optimal freshness to your sleeping surface. The support includes the Zomi slat bed system, which is a European-style suspension offering flexible support with increased comfort, circulating air below the surface, resulting in a cooler, drier mattress. The Travato also features new updated galley or kitchen, lavatory, sinks, and faucets. And for all of the Tecnoform Italian cabinets, improved ergonomic cabinet latches. For entertainment inside the van, the all-new JBL Bluetooth soundbar provides premium sound for your favorite TV shows, movies, or music. It includes improved bass performance for enhanced cinema experience, featuring a slim design and simple user interface. Setup is easy using the HDMI ARC cable or Bluetooth for convenient wireless connection. Towards the rear of the van, you'll find an updated integrated rear screen, which is now made internally by Winnebago Industries, featuring snap-in, roll-up screen door with dual zippers. The straps hold the rolled-up section in place when not being used. Also to the rear, new rear window coverings feature zippered openings with total blackout window coverings, no bright light peeking throughout. They're built with an extra layer of insulation that serves as an additional thermal break against rear van integration. Also easy to use and maintain, the zipper and allows for easy opening and closing. Towards the rear, you'll also see integrated safety straps to quickly hold that rear door open from the inside, which also integrates well with the all-new rear annex designed to extend living spaces. It includes the hanging rod and curtain, which is made like a tent-like material with Velcro straps and magnetic pulls that attach at various points. You can use this as an exterior shower space using the rod, curtain, and magnetic pulls that affords privacy when needed to relax, to shower outdoors, but also as a makeshift awning to extend your space in the rear of the van, providing a shaded area. It can integrate as a clothesline, in which the rod serves as a place to hang wetsuits, laundry, or other items. And finally, there are additional attachment points on the shelf just above the cab entry that allows the curtain to be used as a cab divider. And finally, on the inside of the new restyled and re-engineered Travato is an optional woven PVC complete coach cab mat, which is made by Winnebago Industries. Useful and decorative, it features a latex non-skid backing to reduce slippery surfaces and buildup of dirt and debris. It helps keep your floors clean and protects them from sustaining damage. It can be rolled up and very simply thrown out to alleviate all of that dirt and debris inside the van. In terms of additional enhancements to the utility system, it also includes the tried and true Nautilus freshwater manifold system that debuted on the Winnebago Solus and now is in the Winnebago Revel. This water control panel features all of your control valves, connection points, and exterior wash station located simply on one concise panel inside the van. The area is clearly marked and explains all of the functions and settings, simplifying the operation of the water system. It's very simply located on one easy to understand panel. In the event that you do have to winterize, it includes the winterization package with clearly marked control panels, convenient locations for low point drains, pressure relief valves, and the water pump. A new motion sensor light also aids in the winterization process. An automatic light will eliminate the water filter and low point drains. Inside the van, it also includes the all-new EcoHot hot water system that debuted in the Winnebago Solus, which flushes all of the cold water from your hot water lines and then reroutes that back into the freshwater tank to save on fresh water when you're RVing off the grid. And finally, inside the van, all of the monitoring panels have now been relocated just above the sliding door, which features your power control system panel, your one-place panel, Truma heating panel, temperature sensor, LP, and tank heater switches in one convenient, easy-to-access location. Specific to the Winnebago Touring Coach 59G and GL, the original passenger side bench seat has been removed, with this entry area now including a sleek ABS pedestal that includes a pop-up power outlet, a ram mount assist handle, and lagoon table mount. The dinette now features dual 3-point safety belts with automotive grade seating and a redesigned larger corner bed with the Zomi slat bed system, which provides a built-in leg with additional supports for the bed and a one-step to give users a boost when climbing into the bed. The slat bed system provides durable wooden slats providing flexible support and respond to the weight and shape of the user, providing increased comfort and support while relieving pressure and providing fresh air circulating for a drier mattress. The new TV mount also extends nearly 23 inches with a 180-degree swivel, providing viewing in multiple positions, including the rear full bed. Integrated dual gear bags are also built-in shoe-like pocket storage located on the lower portion of the bath wall. We've ordered this coach in the factory fresh full body base coat clear coat automotive finish. This is the granite metallic exterior color scheme with the deluxe feature package, in which the front and rear ends are then matched to the full body base coat clear coat metallic finish, as well as the blackout paint around the window trim lines. This coach is also available in the bright silver metallic paint package, again with or without the deluxe feature upgrade. It is available in the deep cherry red metallic, again with or without the deluxe feature package of the front and rear paint. And finally, it is available in the white or polar full body base coat clear coat automotive finish. The Winnebago Touring Coach Travato is based on the tried and true fuel-efficient Ram ProMaster powertrain, which is the U.S. version of what has become Europe's most successful commercial cargo van from Fiat, the Ducato. It includes a 3.6-liter Ram ProMaster V6 engine, estimated to achieve 18 to 22 miles per gallon highway. It is a gasoline-powered front-wheel drive powertrain boasting 280 horses, so great acceleration, but also great power or torque at 260 pounds-feet of torque. It's then mated up with a 6-speed automatic transmission with grade-braking capability. It includes safety enhancements that we touched on earlier with blind spot monitoring, crosswind assist, and the digital rear view camera, but also 3-point safety belts and 6 front airbags for front side curtain and side seat bolster. Up front here you'll see the high mount headlamps, which provide better visibility. You can see up top then the clearance lamps, but also the SiriusXM satellite radio antenna. A high polished chrome front grille is included, along with integrated fog lamps in the front of this, which is the deluxe feature painted package. This coach is on the upgraded 9,350 pound gross vehicle weight rating chassis, so the Travato 59G will have approximately 1,800 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity, from which then you would reduce for any people, cargo, and any freshwater that you may maintain in transit. This particular 59G has 1,678 pounds. Here a great shot of the exterior granite metallic finish. This also has the optional roof rack for storage and also the rear ladder that we'll cover in detail here in a moment. Integrated into the Ram ProMaster chassis, you'll see side turn signal indicator lamps, as well as light-duty automotive conveniences, with the top 80% of the mirror being powered and heated, the lower 1/3 including that convex parabolic wide-angle technology. These also piggyback and collapse against the side of the van for easy maneuverability and storage. Down below here you'll see stylized aluminum wheels. These are 16-inch stylized aluminum wheels with integrated mud flaps behind and a Winnebago proprietary built side assist step. It also includes a full length on the patio side that we'll cover here in a moment. It also includes secure tie-outs for securing high-end bicycles or securing pets. Of course, these are E-coated in the latest in E-coat technology that we'll touch on here in a moment. Just behind here, you'll see the all-new Cummins Onan Quiet 2800i. This is an all-new fuel-injected, ultra-low quiet gasoline generator that sips fuel off of the top 3/4 of the main fuel tank. So off of the top 3/4 of that 24-gallon fuel tank. It does maintain extreme great fuel efficiency with only 0.21 gallons at half load being consumed per hour, but it also complies with the noise ratings for the National Park System. The noise level was tested at 65 versus the 70 decibels at 10 feet at half load. You saw the exhausting for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus. Here you'll see the LP capacity, as well as the storage for the sewer hose. To the rear here then, an integrated courtesy light for your exterior utilities. A great shot there of that high metallic granite finish. Of course, all of our components here at Winnebago Industries are E-coated in the latest E-coat technology after undergoing a multi-million-dollar upgrade to our E-coat facility. You see the detachable 30-amp shoreline service. And then you'll also see the exhausting for the generator to the rear. The first exhaust that you saw was for the Ram ProMaster 3.6-liter gasoline engine. To the rear, you'll see a couple of different options here. The luggage rack up top on the roof, along with the multi-point detachable ladder, and also an optional bike rack. As we work our way up top to the rear, we'll cover all of the components atop this roof as we jump up here in a moment. Integrated to the rear now are dual cameras, the first for the digital rear view mirror system, but also for the new 7-inch color rear view camera monitoring system, that both of which maintain display in transit. Here you can see the Summit Systems detachable ladder. You can actually detach that from the rear van door to access multiple points along that luggage rack. It also comes with a keyed lock access. To the rear here, you'll see the exterior dump station. This includes the capability for draining the 11-gallon black tank. You can then complete your drainage to clean out your sewer hose with the balance of the 14-gallon gray tank. The coach has 21 gallons of total freshwater capacity. You can also see then the macerator drain pump. Now, as we work our way to the rear, again, this is a factory installed option that's available. This is a Summit Systems bike rack that hinges down to carry 2 bicycles. Underneath this location, then you'll also see a 3,500-pound factory installed tow package. Again, E-coated with the latest in E-coat technology. To the rear here then, intentionally mounted on the corner of the van, is an LPG quick connect. This allows you to utilize the onboard LP tank for gas grill cooking or a portable heater. Intentionally mounted in this location so that you can maneuver for wind whip if you'd like to grill on your patio side or towards the rear. A great shot there of the Cummins Onan 2800i. Just a great fuel efficient, ultra low quiet generator. At no load only pulls 0.14 gallons of gasoline per hour. At half load, 0.21 gallons, and then at full load, 0.46. Since approximately 1/2 load represents 1,400 watts, it will power the Coleman Mach non-ducted quiet air conditioning system at 0.2 gallons per hour, or running about 5 hours on a single gallon of fuel. During the evenings, ACs rarely operate at 100% duty cycle. The generator should power a typical energy-efficient RV AC all night with approximately 2 gallons of fuel or less. Some great upgrades to the rear here. Each of these cargo doors open nearly 270 degrees for full access for storing your cargo, even underneath the drop-down Murphy full bed. There you can see a great shot of the rear window coverings, which are now insulated and opaque. The rear window coverings feature zippered openings for total blackout. They provide an extra layer of insulation and serve as an additional thermal break against the rear of the van. Easy to use and maintain the zipper and allow for easy opening and easy access. They're also padded, so they serve as a cushioned headboard in the 59G floor plan. So a great upgrade for the Travato 59G. Here you'll also see the all-new Nautilus freshwater manifold system. This water systems management panel provides improved winterization and also hot water recirculation with all of your control valves in one easy-to-access location. Here you'll see storage where we currently have the rear curtain for the all-new annex. The Nautilus freshwater manifold system features all of your control valves, connection points, and exterior wash station on one single panel. Each of these are clearly marked to explain functions and settings. It simplifies the operation of the water system in one easy-to-understand panel. With the improved winterization package, it includes clearly marked control panels and convenient locations for low-point drains, pressure relief valves, and the water pump. A new motion sensor light also aids in the winterization package. An automatic light will eliminate the water filter and low-point drains. Here you can also see the exterior wash station, which then comes with the coiled quick connect freshwater hose. Here you can see each of the different locations if you're RVing off the grid, power filling, being hooked up to city water, winterizing, or sanitizing the system. Sliding over to the right, a great sneak preview there then to the all-new flooring system. A composite insulated flooring system is durable and easy to maintain with industrial strength material and serves an additional thermal break. It also then includes the optional cab woven mat that we'll cover here in a moment. To the rear here, a great shot of the new upgrade for the exterior. This includes the updated rear screen. We'll cover that in detail here in a moment. Storage then integrated, which was added last year to the rear of the oversized bath in one. There you can see an easy to access entry handle, as well as the all new positive lock latching, more ergonomic door latches atop all of the Tecnoform cabinetry. We'll cover that in detail as we get inside the van. Down below you'll see a light switch and then also additional storage, which also houses the tire inflation repair kit provided by Ram ProMaster, as well as this, the coiled hose that we talked about for the exterior wash station. Sliding over then, we've also added a safety strap to quickly open the rear door from the inside and also close that door. Then a shot here of that patio rear window covering. Easy to maneuver by closing the door with that new added safety strap. That allows you to open the door, and then you can also use it to pull the door in. You can see how it's connected to the latch on the left. Now we'll break away and also then showcase the new updated rear screen. You can see how it very simply glides down. This is manufactured in-house with quality control from Winnebago Industries. Very simply glides down and you can roll that then back up. It includes the zippers and also the quick egress and entering and exiting the van with a magnetic latch. We'll also showcase now the all-new annex debuting in the Winnebago Solis and now being added to the Winnebago Touring Coach Travato. It includes the hanging rod and curtain. This is a tent-like material with Velcro straps and magnetic pulls that attach to various points. It provides enhanced exterior shower space. Using the rod, curtain, and magnetic pulls, it allows and affords for a privacy needed to relax and shower outdoors if needed. It also includes a makeshift awning, and it can extend your space in the rear of the van to provide a shaded area by using the magnetic clips up top. It can serve as a clothesline to hang wetsuits, laundry, or other items. And then also additional attachment points on the shelf inside the van above the cab allow the curtain to be used as a quick cab divider. So if you don't need the thermal break of the Covercraft front window coverings up front, you can use this for a quick privacy access to the front of the van. And now as we return to the rear, unlike any dealership here in North America, we're going to elevate up to showcase all of the quality components atop the Winnebago Touring Coach Travato. A nice sneak preview there to the depth and also the length of the Colorado Carefree 13-foot powered and armless patio awning that does include Bluetooth connectivity, LED lighting, and a motion sensor retract mode with a faster gear drive motor to reduce the potential for wind damage. We'll zoom in and showcase all of the quality components. To the rear, you'll see the omnidirectional local off-air high-definition antenna that allows you to bring in your entire free local off-air high-definition programming from inside the van. Forward of that, then you'll see the Coleman Mach NDQ interior air conditioning system that includes directional vents, Bluetooth app control, a built-in thermostat with automatic compressor mode to turn the blower fan on or off when the compressor is not running. The new AC also significantly reduces power draw. You'll see sewer vents for the oversized bath and one. Forward of that, then you'll see the standard solar package and also the Max Air Premium vent system, which really produces just a tremendous amount of fresh air ventilation. Up top on the roof, you'll see a 215-watt standard solar package with expandability, with plug-and-play ports in the junction box, but also a port for additional solar panels that could be utilized on the portable side, ground level. You can see all of these are surrounded with the luggage rack system, of which you can see that multi-point adjustable awning surrounding the van. You'll also see the connectivity port to bring in any type of connectivity enhancements such as a Wi-Fi or cellular booster, whether that be a Winegard Connect 2.0, a WeBoost, cellular booster. Be sure to check out our connectivity videos in our video library on Lichtsinn.com, as several archived Lichtsinn RV live experiences in which we take your questions live and walk you through connectivity options. And as we work our way back down towards the patio side of the van, we'll wrap up with some specifications that are exterior to the van. The Travato's 21 feet in length tip to tip. It features an exterior height of 9 feet 4 inches tall to the most standard feature atop the roof, and it's 6 feet 9 inches in width. To the exterior of the van here, you'll see a convenient 110 volt electrical duplex. Again, this is powered off of the Cummins Onan Ultra Low Quiet Gen, or when being plugged into 30 amp Shoreline service. Coaxial outputs and 12 volt for hooking up an exterior TV, and then the quick port for adding portable solar expandability to the solar package. Again, keeping in mind the main goal of that is to recharge the dual AGM absorbed glass mat Group 31 RV batteries. A great shot here of the full length assist step with the convenient tie outs that we talked about, and also the undercarriage lighting system. Be sure to check out our still photo gallery on our vehicle display page on Lichtsinn.com, in which we black out our studio just to showcase how bright and luminous this undercarriage lighting system is. It provides for a safe return to your van in the dark of night. Inside the van, you'll also see one of the enhancements by removing that front bench, which provides easier entry and exit to the van. And also the same type of side screen as you saw with the rear to provide fresh air ventilation. And then there you can see the magnetic attachment for easy entry and exit of the van. Inside here, you'll see the exterior lighting system. This light has also been relocated for easier access and also a more relevant location. Again, this is the Colorado Carefree powered patio awning, armless in nature and 13 feet in length, that includes LED lighting and the motion sensor retract mode with faster drive motor to reduce the potential for wind damage. Bluetooth connectivity then allows for operation, but also the capability of managing the LED lighting and dimming the LED lighting. completely armless, so you're not going to knock your head, for easy maneuverability alongside your patio side. And now as we work our way inside the Travato 59G, we'll cover one sweeping shot of this floor plan and then we'll cover things in more detail. This particular Travato 59G that we're going to walk through today is in the blue interior with the Weathered Teak cabinetry. It is also available in a complete walnut interior, or it's also available in this, the walnut with the matte white upper cabinetry doors. All of this cabinetry is proprietary and ordered from Tecnoform, which is a high-end Italian yacht cabinetry manufacturer based in Italy. And the reason why we make this investment is twofold. First of all, it allows us to free up cargo carrying capacity because it's very lightweight in nature, just like we're trying to do in the yacht industry. But it's also moisture resistant. So just as yachts fight humidity on the open ocean, we fight humidity in RVing climates. It's very moisture resistant, so it reduces any capabilities for warping in the future. A great investment made by Winnebago Industries. We'll now cover one sweeping shot of this floor plan, and then we'll cover each of the areas in more detail. You can see within the interior solid surface countertops, even with 1,800 pounds of occupants and cargo carrying capacity. Corian countertops with a full-featured kitchen or galley. Some nice improvements to the oversized bath, and one that we'll talk about here in a moment. And also some expansion to the rear bed to make a 49 by 77 inch sleeping surface with a European slat suspension. An oversized compressor, double door refrigerator and freezer. An over-the-range microwave, some great enhancements to the front audio visuals with that television now being able to be viewed from the rear Murphy bed. Up front, you'll see the cab seats, both of which rotate to become integral living components and also include the ultra leather upgrade. There you can see the upgrade to the pedestal that we touched on earlier. And now we'll cover each of these main living areas in the Travato 59G in more detail. Again, this is the new upgraded vinyl flooring system with the composite insulated flooring, which is durable and easy to maintain, featuring industrial strength material, but also serving as an additional thermal break. You can literally Swiffer this van out in a matter of seconds. Inside the main dining area, by going away from the bench seating area, we now have true automotive 3-point safety belts for a safer transit. You can see how deep and plush and comfortable each of those seats are. It also provides easier entry and exit because we do have the new lagoon mount table up top here with the Weathered Teak cabinetry. You can see the ergonomic positive lock latching system. Very simply glides up to reveal all of the storage, which has been added by relocating the audio-visual system into a JBL wireless soundbar and an articulating TV mount. Great depth here to all of this storage area, and here you can see electrical component access for 12 volt and 110 volt with the connectivity port to add connectivity enhancements such as a Wi-Fi or cellular booster. Underneath this area, you'll also see the new JBL wireless soundbar. This provides premium sound for your favorite TV shows, movies, or music with improved bass. There you can see the local off-air booster switch just to the left. Back to the JBL Bluetooth soundbar, it provides improved bass performance for enhanced cinema experience. Slim in design with a simple user interface and easy to set up with an HDMI ARC cable or with Bluetooth connectivity to pair up to your smartphone or tablet. Here you can see the European cassette window coverings that debuted a few years ago. It provides complete opaque privacy at night, but also an insect screen for great fresh air ventilation, especially in conjunction with the Max Air premium vent system that does include that sealed marine rain hood to alleviate any water penetrating the van. All new with this 24-inch high-definition television is now an articulating mount. This extends out to provide maneuverability for any position within the van, including the rear table. The new TV mount extends nearly 23 inches with a 180-degree swivel for viewing even in the rear bedroom area. So a great enhancement there to the high definition audio visual experience with that and the JBL soundbar. You'll also see RAM mount track systems throughout the van for adding any type of RAM mount for mounting your iPad, your iPhone. And then inside this dining area is the new lagoon table with dual mounting positions, made of heavy anodized aluminum construction and a space-saving 360-degree swivel. It can be used as an extended meal prep space, workspace, or gaming area. It also securely locks in travel, and it can be attached to the forward portion of the dinette that you see here, or to the new pedestal near the door. The great thing about that then is that it provides for an additional meal prep or even a standing office desk. Underneath each of these seats then, you'll see additional storage. A removable tray here then also reveals additional heating, ventilation, and air conditioning components, and also color-keyed PEX lines. The Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus provides complete coach heat and functions off of LP and electric, but also provides continuous on-demand hot water. The heat delivery being delivered by these laser-tuned, quiet insulated ducts, certain of which also include diffusers. To the base of the dining area then is a 110-volt outlet, 12-volt power point, and USB charge points. You'll see these located in numerous locations throughout the van. And then also conveniently mounted using computer-aided design by Winnebago Industries, trying to provide storage in every nook and cranny. You can see compartment lock access with this paddle latch with a secured additional storage bay at the base of the dining area. Again, each of those cab seats rotate to provide four-person dining or four-person gaming, especially in conjunction with that 360-degree swivel lagoon table. Just a wonderful, versatile table that can be actually raised up for additional meal prep space, especially in conjunction with that pedestal near the front entry of the sliding cargo door. It also locks into place in transit for security. Again, optional to the coach now is a woven PVC coach mat. Made in-house by Winnebago Industries, it's useful and decorative, but also provides a latex non-skid backing to reduce slippery surfaces. It allows you to very simply roll that up and then empty that outside. It keeps your floors clean and protects them from sustaining damage. A nice new upgrade here with the relocation of the one-place panel in one easy-to-access location. You'll see a lighting control and also the electrical management system with the power control system, allowing you to dictate how many amps are being provided from the converter to charge those dual AGM absorbed glass mat batteries. The one-place panel to control your Cummins Onan 2800i Gen to start and stop, the 12-volt on-demand water pump, and the true level holding tank monitoring system. Here are the controls for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus, which features a 2.6 gallon bladder in a continuous on-demand hot water and coach heat. And then also controls off to the right for the 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter. It allows you to power household appliances and select outlets directly off of the dual AGM Group 31 RV batteries. controls to turn on or off the solenoid for the LP system. A total of 25.38 pounds of LP capacity, and then also controls for the heated drainage system, which features a black and gray tank warming pad. Again, relocated right above the entry door for easy control, easy access. The bound by the W key or coat hook. Again, this is the Tecnoform Italian cabinetry, and then off to the right you'll see controls for the Zamp solar charge controller. Again, 215 in terms of watts for standard capacity atop the roof to recharge those dual AGM Group 31 RV batteries. Now working our way down inside the kitchen or galley area. A sliding glass window with insect screen provides great fresh air ventilation. Anything keepers you'll see throughout the van. Convenient grab and go quick access containers that can be mounted and purchased to add for additional if needed. A convenient kitchen 110 volt outlet, lighting switches, and 12 volt on-demand water pump. You can see throughout the van we use LED lighting, which is 70% more energy efficient compared to normal incandescent or halogen lighting. Solid surface Corian countertops with a flip-up countertop extension. It can be expanded even further with the lagoon table being mounted to the ABS pedestal for the entry door area, which features the pop-up power outlet. All new kitchen and lavatory sinks for this model year with a high-rise gooseneck style single control kitchen faucet. Here you'll also see a Corian sink top cover with an oversized stainless steel sink. Underneath this location then is also where the water purification system is located. We'll also slide over and cover everything inside the stepwell area just below the flip-up countertop extension. You can see how this is nice and flush to the kitchen countertop, and then also can be expanded further with that lagoon table. Underneath this location, you'll see the fire extinguisher as well as switch controls for the Colorado Carefree armless 13-foot powered patio awning and LED lighting in the awning, as well as the exterior courtesy light, and then also controls for the undercarriage lighting. Controls to disconnect and put into storage the coach for disconnecting the dual AGM absorbed glass mat batteries to ensure no parasitic draw and storage. There also is a cutoff for the chassis battery underneath the driver's side floorboard. Inside the kitchen and galley area, you'll also see complete full-length extensions with metal drawer glides for the drawer stacks, along with those new ergonomic positive lock latching system being used for the drawers and also for the cabinetry faces. You can see full-length extensions, again with metal drawer glides, compared to competing manufacturers that are still tripping over pennies and nickels using plastic drawer glides. Of course, we haven't forgotten the location for the waste paper basket underneath the kitchen countertop. Another GFI protected 110 volt outlet for the kitchen area. There you can see the water purification system that we talked about, as well as the freshwater drain underneath this false floor. The LP detector down below. A dual burner LP range top is located just above this location. That's a dimmable power switch. Drawing off the success of the Winnebago Solis, we've included the Eco Hot system. This allows you to throw this valve as you're drawing hot water and opening a hot water spigot to relocate all of that water back into your freshwater tank to conserve water when RVing off the grid. Opposite this area, you'll see a compressor-driven dual-door 6 cubic foot compressor-driven refrigerator and freezer, and up top a large over-the-range microwave. Up top inside this kitchen area, which draws great fresh air ventilation for the front and the rear. This is the MaxAir Premium Vent System, which does include a wall mount or hand mount remote control for thermostatic control. It also includes the sealed marine RV rain hood up top. so that if you're away from the van and rainfall approaches, you don't have to worry about that penetrating your van. A large over-the-range microwave with the rotisserie cooking plate is included. And then down below, a 6 cubic foot compressor-driven refrigerator and freezer. It allows the compressor refrigerator to chill down to lower temperatures compared to LP-driven absorption. They cool more consistently because with the outside ambient temperature, with that heat, it's not drawing more power on the compressor. It works well in uneven terrain. You don't have to be level like an LP-driven refrigerator. And built with 12-volt operation in mind, they run very efficiently on battery power compared to a 3-way style refrigerator and freezer. And it includes a secure travel lock. Off to the right then, you'll see an oversized pantry as we work down into the freezer area. And as we cover this, we'll wrap up with the balance of specifications. It does feature an interior ceiling height of 6 feet 3 inches for our taller guests. The bed is 77 inches in length. And we'll also cover all of the specifications to the bath as we get inside the bath in one. Off to the right then, an oversized pantry with that new ergonomic positive lock latch with adjustable shelving that is included to custom tailor your pantry to your experience. It also includes a shirt or coat hanging if you prefer to use it for that function, and then additional storage up top along with the electrical plug-in for the over-the-range microwave. Now as we work our way to the rear, again you can see easy to maintain flooring. We'll work our way inside the redesigned bathroom, which now alleviates the need for a macerator drain pump. The floor has been raised up. Many previous owners weren't cleaning that screen, so it was clogging up that macerator drain pump, so Winnebago raised the floor up to alleviate the need for it. Up top in the ceiling you can see a 12-volt powered ventilator fan. With the raising up of the floor, it does still maintain a 69-inch ceiling height inside the bath and one. You can see dry dock storage throughout with sliding storage here. Of course, we provide all of the accessories you need and don't force you to go out and purchase those like competing manufacturers. A residential height style toilet also includes a foot pedal flush and a pull-out sink sprayer for easy maintenance and easy cleaning. A sliding tambour bath door is included, but also the shower curtain. The shower with wall surround is included along with an easy to maintain one-piece pan and one-piece surround for easy cleaning. An all-new lavatory sink is included with stainless sink and also satin nickel single control lavatory faucet. This is an oxygenic shower head which provides great shower pressure. And adjustable, you can start and stop the water both on the head as well as on the faucet to conserve water when RVing off the grid. A dedicated control for the shower, not running into the sink area like competing manufacturers. You have a dedicated shower and a dedicated sink with a single control lavatory faucet. Dry dock storage is then included up underneath. Again, a single piece surround and a single piece pan for easy maintenance and easy cleaning. It also then includes the teak sealed marine plywood floor for a spa-like experience inside the oversized bath and one. And all is buttoned up with that sliding tambour door. Again, no longer a need for a macerator drain pump with this to drain into the 14-gallon gray tank and 11-gallon black tank. That sliding tambour door will also then lock with that vinyl lock off to the right. Up top, this is the thermostatically controlled ultra low quiet Coleman Mach 10 NDQ non-ducted quiet AC with the shroud that includes directional vents, Bluetooth app control, and built-in thermostat in auto mode that turns the blower fan on or off when the compressor is not running. It also significantly reduces power draw. So more of a residential ultra low quiet air conditioning system from Coleman Mach. A full bank of overhead Italian Tecnoform cabinetry. This is, again, the Weathered Teak. And an all-new setup for the 59G with a new, larger rear Murphy bed that glides down with the Zomi European slat suspension. We'll also cover the additional storage underneath the rear bed. Also, dual gear bags are now being provided with shoe-like pocket storage. This is located in the lower portion of the bath wall. So more versatile storage. And then to the rear, you saw that same 110 volt outlet and 12 volt outlet when we were exterior with the rear cargo doors being open. Again, easy to maneuver as each of those doors open nearly 270 degrees. You can see additional storage underneath the rear full bed. Continuing on with those same positive lock latching mechanisms. Again, placing storage using computer-aided design anywhere possible to maximize your van life experience. Winnebago does a great job with computer-aided design. And then also a vinyl padding for the breaker panel. This is your 110 volt panel for all of your electrical breakers. Again, the 30 amp service and the Cummins Onan 2800 iGen are sized to power all of your electrical appliances inside the Travato simultaneously without throwing a breaker. And then down below here, you'll see your 12 volt style blade fuses. Again, all of the wiring diagrams and plumbing diagrams are all available on Winnebago's website. Our master RVDA, RVIA certified technicians and service consultants can always walk you through and trace and provide troubleshooting remotely. In many cases, we've had guest testimonials say that we can provide better service than their local dealer through our certified technicians and service consultants. Great storage underneath the rear Murphy bed that drops down. Nice deep drawer, again with a full-length extension and metal drawer glide. A great shot of the underbelly of the new European Zomi slat bed system. There you can see also the annex supports that we talked about when we were exterior to the van. A full bank of overhead Weathered Teak or Walnut with the matte white cabinet face frames. This being the Weathered Teak. Again, this is the Italian Tecnoform cabinetry, very lightweight in nature, but moisture resistant. Redesigned larger Zomi slat bed system is now in the 59G, which includes additional supports for the bed and a one-step step up to give a boost when climbing into the bed. This slat bed system provides durable wooden slat beds that provide flexible support and respond to weight and shape of the user for increased comfort and support, relieving pressure and providing more fresh air ventilation for a drier, cooler mattress experience. You can see the secure lock. We'll also showcase how easy this is to drop down here in a moment. Very lightweight in nature, and also this providing the single step-up area. A nice sneak preview there to the new WinSleep system that we'll cover in detail here in a moment. We're going to go ahead and unlock this bed and drop down this, and we'll show this in sequence now, very simply by unlocking that bed. This very simply drops down, and there is a single step-up ladder. The European-style suspension offers flexible support, increased comfort, circulating airflow, and results in a drier mattress. This is also the new WindSleep system from Winnebago Industries, featuring Deep Freeze Plus technology with serene foam that draws excess heat from the body to create a cool, comfortable sleeping environment. Plus, superior foam provides exceptional pressure relief and support through supportive air technology. It is CertiPure US tested with certified foam made with non-toxic materials and no ozone depleters. And it also includes MicroShield technology specifically designed to deactivate microorganisms and deliver optimal freshness. Again, that is the Microbe Shield Plus technology. There you can see the single step up. That blue mattress covering is literally just a decorative mattress covering. It can be used as a mattress cover if you'd prefer. But a great shot here of the new WindSleep system with the Deep Freeze Plus technology, CertiPure tested, and also including that MicroShield technology. This is a 49 by 77 inch sleeping surface and does provide for expanded headboard room. Somewhat trapezoidal in length and width. Also off to the driver's side here, then you'll also see an additional window with the European cassette lines and additional anything keepers that actually drop down and also include then cutouts for smartphone or tablet devices. Of course, we all sleep with our tablet or smartphone now on our nightstand. This is a way to get that out of the way. These very simply drop down and you can see the notch out the rear to run your power cord for recharging that smartphone or tablet. Also included then are RAM tough mount tracks to mount that iPad or iPhone if you'd like to watch something in bed, not using the high definition television. Then of course off to the left you'll see a convenient 110 volt outlet. Just to the left there, that was the lock for the security lock for the Murphy bed. And then to the rear, an additional anything keeper basket style. And then also additional power point to the side there. You saw that outside of the van for convenient access at the head of the bed area or exterior to the van. An individual LED reading lamp is included with single push button on and off function. Very lightweight in nature with an aluminum extruded base for that European Zomi slat bed suspension. Very easy to maintain. Very easy to glide up and down. Again, doing this just one-handed with a video camera in hand, you can see how lightweight in nature that is. And then it securely locks in transit. It can be left down in transit. You can also store cargo underneath the slat bed suspension in transit or in the evening, of course. And then again, those are the annex curtain rods for the rear annex that includes integration into the rear cargo doors for expanded livability outside of the van. And now as we work our way back up front, you can see several laser routed quiet air diffusers for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus system. Up top here you'll see additional storage with a metal rack provided by Winnebago Industries. Up top there you see the Covercraft privacy blinds for the front windshield and the side windows. Up front in the cab area then, light duty automotive conveniences including 3-point safety belts up front. The seats feature adjustable lumbar support, adjustable headrests, and they slide, swivel, and recline. This is the upgraded Ultra Leather cab seat upgrade. Since this is synthetic leather, you can be more aggressive in terms of how you clean, but it's also more weather temperative, meaning not so hot in the summer and not so cold during the wintertime. Up front, complete heating, ventilation, and air conditioning controls for the 6-speed automatic transmission. And then light-duty automotive conveniences are also included as we turn the key on to showcase the instrument cluster with the leather-wrapped steering wheel. with steering wheel controls that do actually control the new 7-inch infotainment radio that we'll cover in detail here in a moment. All of that being provided through the iData link through Maestro. Light-duty automotive conveniences such as telescoping steering and cruise control, powered mirrors with defrost, powered windows with express down technology, as well as keyless entry for all of the doors. Inside the cluster here, you can see all of the different functions that you can move through the instrumentation cluster. Off to the left then, you'll see integrated cup holders throughout the van. Secure turn-off for the powered windows. You can see the cargo carrying capacity sticker with integrated cup holders and storage inside the door. Powered door locks, powered windows, the parabolic convex mirror you can see underneath the powered and heat in the mirrors, along with the piggyback function that collapses the mirrors against the side of the van. This new 7-inch infotainment radio includes the rear view camera monitoring system that can be maintained in transit with factory control of the steering wheels. It features a 7-inch color touchscreen featuring both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration for great voice guidance with Hey Siri or Hey Google technology. For voice-operated commands through Apple Maps or Google Maps, allowing you to also then listen to music, make calls, send and receive text messages, and more with just a word or a touch. On the Android Auto side, it includes the card function for reminders and text messages. The iData Link Maestro also enhances the multimedia experience by also allowing you then to control factory functions, including the actual tire pressure of each wheel as opposed to a single indicator light. A selectable display also shows engine data such as coolant temperature, not available on the Ram ProMaster radio. You can see multiple power points as we continue to work through the cab area with the front airbags, side airbags, and side seat thoracic pelvis airbags. Also integrated throughout the cockpit are new upgraded JBL speakers for a premium sound experience, but also for voice clarity. This is the digital rear view mirror that you can see displaying to the rear of our studio. Bringing that down, it then provides a traditional mirror. And then just above are the cab window lights and privacy sun visors. Great light-duty automotive experiences with the new safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster chassis. Off to the right then, a nice detailed shot of the new ABS pedestal for easier entry and exit to the van with a secure handle and also the lagoon table mount. It can be used as a workstation for the passenger, but also as a side prep area for the kitchen or galley area, and also includes the pop-up power pedestal. This pop-up power pedestal then provides 110 volt and USB power points. So much cleaner, easier entry and exit to the van with this new ABS style pedestal with pop-up power outlet and lagoon table mount. And as we wrap up in the cockpit area, we'll swivel around and cover one last sweeping shot, as I want to take this opportunity to thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV and for the opportunity to unveil for you all of the new Winnebago enhancements and safety enhancements provided by Winnebago Industries and Ram ProMaster in the fuel-efficient and now safety-enhanced Winnebago Touring Coach Travato that has led the van life revolution since its debut. Available here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and recently named by the manufacturer Winnebago Industries as the North American top dealer for sales volume for a single point dealership across all of its motorized coach divisions of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, but reaching that top sales volume award now for the past 6 consecutive years. However, most importantly, be the first to break in and protect your new Ram powertrain, as outlined on page 139 in the owner's manual, in which they recommend, if possible, no towing and driving moderately during the first 300 miles, with speeds up to 50 or 55 miles per hour being desirable for the first 60 miles, while cruising, brief full throttle acceleration within the limits of local traffic laws contributing to a good break-in. Wide open throttle accelerations in low gear really should be avoided during the first 300 miles, and certainly no towing, as opposed to the way a local dealer may have a delivery driver bring this Travato out to your local dealership. Be the first to break in that new powertrain, sleep that first night in your all-new European Zomi slat suspension rear Murphy bed, and eat that first meal in your new redesigned dinette with the 3-point safety belts. Available here at Lichtsinn RV. Thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa, the home of Winnebago Industries. I'm Ron Lichtsinn, and I want to thank you for visiting our dealership here in Forest City, Iowa. Here are some great points from the Lichtsinn RV team as to points unrelated to price why you should experience the best here at Lichtsinn RV.
New motorhomes from Lichtsinn RV have no delivery miles on them. We do not use delivery services like other dealers in which drivers live in the RV during transportation or tow their own personal vehicle during the crucial engine break-in period.
There are no additional fees with purchasing in the state of Iowa, as the customer will pay their tax, title, and license in which the state that they register their RV. However, we do help in assisting titling your RV in your home state. As you can see, we help people day in and day out all over the United States and Canada with titling their motorhome.
Due to our close proximity to Winnebago factory, we're able to take advantage of cost savings over other RV dealerships. This allows us to provide you with low, no-hassle pricing.
We offer free, thorough walkarounds with our guests at the time of delivery, where we take as much time as needed for our guests to understand every function, maintenance, and warranty item of their RV. Many dealers charge a significant sum to provide this service.
Here at Lichtsinn RV, we provide our guests the opportunity to stay on our lot while enjoying free access to Wi-Fi, filtered fresh water, and electrical hookups, whether they're here to take delivery of their new RV or just passing through for service.
We work with several different lenders in order to secure you the most competitive rates and terms.
We also offer insurance from several different insurance carriers such as Progressive and Nationwide.
Purchase and service your RV and experience the best at Lichtsinn RV, the nation's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa.